Day 5, we find ourselves in Pigeon Forge, headed out to Splash Country. Splash Country is really neat because they have a lot of splash areas that are appropriate for all different ages, so the whole family can have fun. Some tips and suggestions: it gets very hot on the walkway, so you'll want to take some water shoes or at least flip-flops that you can wear in between rides. And then drink plenty of water. Even though you're playing in water, you get dehydrated. I love you. I don't know. Where is he? Playing on a slide somewhere. Are you cold?
Yeah. Mommy, I stole my slide here and there.
It's working now, right?
Yeah.
It's running?
Look.
Splash Country is a lot of fun. From our families to yours, a big hug, and we will see you on the next escapade.